Well. GPUSD is giving me an opportunity on this, and even though I've not taken something on GPUSD for a while now, well, the first thing I noticed is this: when I went to my weekly time frame, yeah, I saw that in the last 3 weeks, if we look at this closely at this juncture, we can see that in the last 3 weeks bullish momentum has been quite very, very, very weak. And we, with this weak perspective to the bullish momentum, we will notice that since March 2020, price have been going through a consistent bullish momentum, which later dovetails into a very significant impulse leg. And immediately after an impulse leg, what do we expect? A correction phase. So where is this correction phase going to stop? We don't know. So if in this case, I'm looking at pulling out my Fibonacci retracement tool and looking for the golden zone area. And if we do that, we will notice that the golden zone between 50 and 76 retracement falls around this area. So if that is the case, then this could be our profit target area. And what does this say? Probably the pound might probably plunge in the next couple of weeks. So if that is the case, how do we take advantage of this opportunity if it finally moves as expected? So moving on to a much lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. What I observe here is a consistent movement to the downside, which is evident with the current structure on the 1 hour time frame. As we can see, despite the fact that the buyers want to push price, or price keep finding its way down until it broke this this trend line at this point. So in that regard, after breaking that trend line, we noticed that price did a rejection of that trend line, and this rejection happened a couple of times before coming back to this area. So what am I looking forward to now? Where is our key level in this structure? Bringing out our line chart, a key level will be around this area 1.30600, which has been a support level since on the later part of last month. My key level is gold, yes. So what am I going to be looking out for now? I'm looking for a breakdown of this key level as a signal, a rejection as confirmation, then probably we go down to the downside. So in this regard, what have I done? I've set a pending order at just exactly below the key level here, and my structure is looking like, my expectation is looking like this, and we're having a take profit target at 1.29, at least for the meantime. And if price actually moves further down, then we can look at what structure is giving us to to enjoy the decline to our profit target zone. So that being said, how did I get my take profit target at the moment? Well, my profit target is as a result of this um, impulse leg from this point, from this point. So I looked at this impulse leg here. So I'm expecting something like that to happen here. So I pulled out my Fibonacci extension tool, excuse me, and this is what I got. So around 1.29 falls within that 127.2 area, which is why I put my take profit target around this area. So what I'll be looking for is the breakdown of that level, and if a breakdown finally happens, then I'll be looking for if a breakdown finally happens like this, I'll be looking for a rejection to add more position before the decline begins. However, I shall be monitoring price action, and whatever happens as time goes by, I shall keep you updated. Thank you.